This video is sponsored by unolist.com.
Hi, this bathroom got a couple of problems. It's leaking. The shower is leaking, so we got to replace a bunch of stuff in here. But before that, the first thing we're going to replace is the drain stopper, which kind of broke. I kind of rigged this up just so that it works. It just holds it down. I use this clamp to hold it down, but it's finally time to replace it. It's in there. All right, it looks dirty and grungy. We're gonna clean this up a little bit and then we're gonna replace it. Okay, the old one is a little different, the new one is different. Most of them you can just take this clip out and just attach it to here, to the new one. But the problem is gonna be this one doesn't have anything I can attach here directly because this thing is not gonna go into this hole. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use just the plate from this, and we're gonna use the knob from this one, from the old one, and put it on here. I will replace this one. We'll just use the plate and we'll just replace that, the old plate with the new one, because it kind of got grinded off to pretty much this the V that you see here, the V shape. That's what makes it hold when you put it up or down, and that seems to be broken. So that just got grinded off. It almost looks like a circle, half circle or something, instead of it being like a triangle. So when you put it up like that, it's supposed to hold it because of this triangle, but that thing got grinded to a half circle here. I mean, this thing is at least 20 years old. So what we're gonna do is just replace the old plate with the new plate from this thing. We bought this at Home Depot for like 12 bucks. It's not great, but it seems to work fine. So let's try to use it. Okay, first thing to do is press down on this plate here, and then pull down the clip. Then this thing is loose. And after that, I wedged a flat screwdriver here and opened up a little bit, and then so that I can take it out. It's out. So we're going to take the whole piece out, put it aside. We're going to use this rod for the with the new plate. All right, we got the old plate out. We're going to take the stuff from the spring and all that from the new one. We're just going to use the plate. Put this aside. And we can use the old rod like that. I'm going to put the metal stuff that it came with. Okay. Let's put the clip on. Good. Okay, this is not smooth. Maybe we can use the other spring. The other piece. Yeah, this one is a little smooth than the other one, so let's go with that. Seems to work. All right, put the stopper back, and then I'm just gonna press this in a little bit and then put it in. Use a plier like this one and then press it in. That should be good. I don't think we did any damage, so looks like it's holding, so that's good. So it should work. Yeah, we're going to be using the same old screws. They seem to fit better. I'm just going to use that. That should be fine. Okay, let's test it and see if it works. All right, let's open the water. See if it's draining. Yeah, it's draining. And let's see if it stops. You see that? Water's not going through. Water is not going through, so it seems to be working. That's pretty good. So that stops. As soon as we open it, the water is draining. So yeah, I mean this house is built in 1980s. So it's got some old stuff that you can't really find in stores. So you gotta rig stuff like this sometimes. But we make it work.